Aha! A new face. What brings you to this forsaken place? Well, well, what do we have here? Greetings, traveler. Where have you come from, my friend? Salutations, stranger. Another lost soul, I see. My friend, are you lost? Some may consider your presence to be suspicious. Outsider, you stick out like the sun in a night sky. Well, look who's still alive. You seek fortune, but you will only find death here. Now that you are here, you should cherish the present, for the past is lost and your future is most uncertain. My friend, you should leave this land now. You have come at a peculiar time, my friend.